Alright boys, so I'm running out of ideas here. Let's see, redid some of my stuff here. I ended up with a fly wire up here instead of one of these things that was being a little flaky. Everything checks out A-OK continuity wise through all of this stuff that was fucked up down here where this battery is. Trace it back both ways to vias or pins on other components or whatever, and you know, I get continuity between everywhere that I'm supposed to. I pulled a couple of electrolytic capacitors at random, checked them with an ESR meter. The ESR values were still very good on them. Let's see. I power the thing up. I can see activity on the 8-bit part of the address bus, but I don't see any activity anywhere else. I've tried different RAM. I've tried unseating and reseating everything that's in a socket. The clock generator is working fine. It's generating the correct clocks. All of this stuff that I was soldering on here all appears to be working as it should. This is the clock generation logic right here. This is the clock generator chip right down here that takes this 14 megahertz signal and multiplies it into whatever clock rate you've got jumpered for up here. That all seems to be working. I've tried disabling the built-in VGA interface that's built into this riser and using an Oak VGA card, and I don't get anything that way either. All of the power supply voltages are good, so I know it's not some funny capacitor thing. There are a couple of tantalums here around this 3.3 volt regulator for depending on which kind of CPU you've got it jumpered for. All of that checks out fine. One of these F245s right here was running, seemed like it was a little warm, so I desoldered them. I put sockets in. I tried some LS245s, no change in the signals coming off any of the pins and the timing of them or anything, so I put the Fs back in, and everything's still the same there. So I'm not sure what else to check at this point. Maybe it's cache RAM that's bad. Maybe the CPU is bad. I've got a DX250 up there somewhere that I could try in it. Maybe the BIOS is fucked up. I don't know. I can see something on the address bus, but there's nothing on the data bus. And I've tried different RAM, and I'm sure that the DRAM sockets are accessed through the chipset some way, so the chipset could be fucked up, or some of the cache RAM could be fucked up. Maybe, I don't know what else to try. Maybe pull the cache RAM, see if I get some activity on the data bus then. What do you guys think? This is getting kind of over my head a little bit. I'm not sure. I mean, these late 486 type motherboards are pretty complicated. But I don't know, man. I don't know. What do you guys think? Think I ought to try next? I'm running out of ideas. Thank you.